Hey there, RC Girl here. Today we're going to be organizing the RC room. I moved a couple months ago and literally just put all the RC planes and trucks in a single room, no organization whatsoever. So I have a storage solution for some of the planes already. I'll put a link to that video, but today we're going to be displaying some of my trucks. So I got some really cool RC storage racks, the RC Pro racks from Judd Rummage Concepts. They come in a lot of different sizes for 1/5 scale vehicles all the way up to the tiny 1/24 scale. Super cool. I'll put a link to these in the description box. This room is way overdue for some organization, so sorry for the lack of videos. Been a little bit busy, bought a motorcycle, moved and other things. Work has been busy, so but yeah, stay tuned for this video. If you guys want to see how it turns out, stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Here you're gonna find RC reviews, tips and tricks, run videos, flight videos, and other things related to RC. So if you wanna see more, make sure to like and subscribe. Huge thanks, as always, to my patrons on Patreon. Appreciate all your support, even through my video drought, so thanks for sticking with me. All right, let's take it away. All right, so here is one of the racks. It's basically this back piece here that mounts to the wall, the two side panels, and the pad where your truck sits on. Super easy mounting system. So there's just two screws in the back that you're probably gonna want to screw into a stud. So find a stud in your wall and you can just basically mount them to the wall. So these come in a couple different sizes. The one I was showing you was the 1/10 scale, which is gonna be perfect for something like your SCX 10-3. This is the base camp here. He also makes 1/24 scale sizes. So for some of your smaller vehicles, something like your SCX 24 or my FCX 24, which is a little bit bigger wheelbase. And they also make giant ones here for something like your 1/8 scale Basher Sabertooth. I also have the RC planes here, and some of them are going to be mounted to the wall with this PVC rack. And as I mentioned, I already did a video on this. I'll link it up here. Super easy to make with some PVC pipe, some couplings, and a little bit of pipe insulation. And then the other part of the wall, we're going to get a 2x6 board, and that's what we're going to mount these to. So you can actually go directly in the wall into a stud if you want, but I thought it'd be easier since I have a couple of them and also a renter. Don't want to have a bunch of holes in the walls. Get these onto a board, and then we're going to mount the board to the wall. So let's take it away. These are also super easy to assemble. I think it takes like 5 to 7 minutes, and it just uses your traditional 1.5 or 2mm hex, depending on the size. I think the little one takes the 1.5. If you have a little T-wrench or even some pliers to hold the back nut that the screw goes into, instructions are also on the back of the label. One last thing to mention for the 1/10 scale size, there's the option to have the traditional wall mount, or you can actually get one that can turn into both a wall display or a stand. Already assembled a bunch of them, but still have a couple to assemble, so let's take it away.
So if I stay, would you be lying to me? Got away. The memories are our mistakes, we can never make it true.
All right, so here is the board that I'm gonna use. So I think we're actually gonna stain this first. I got a couple stains, and then we're gonna mark out where we wanna put each of the stands so that we're spacing everything out right. And this board is the exact size that I need to fit the wall, which is perfect. So this is what we're gonna screw to the wall, and we're gonna screw the individual stands to this. This is the stain that I'm gonna be using. It's kind of like this dark, actually it's the stain that I used on this table. So it'll be kind of nice looking. Let's take it away.
Slips right through. What did I do? I must have been so careless. Progress too soon. But you got me so breathless. Can we work it out this time? Though you got money on your mind. So and see the lights once more. I could be fooled by you tonight, but not this time.
got most of them on. It's looking so sick. I actually reserved the top because I don't know if I'm going to use the final rack, the 110 scale, or if I want to use some of the smaller guys. So I'm actually going to get it in the room first and see how it looks, see how the cars fit. I actually sized it to one of my tallest vehicles, so I want to be able to use some of the taller guys, and also wanted them to be evenly spaced out. So I measured it based on one of my taller rigs. And there's Dante. All right, let's take it inside.
It's coming back again. I see it clearly now. Your sweet, sweet talking won't make me fall this time, 'cause I have drawn a map of my escape. Don't you even try, 'cause it's too late. I'm someone else, although I look the same way. Teardrops that fell, but it's just another delay. I'm over us, I'm over you. Forget about another deja vu.
So heavy.
I'm someone else. Teardrops that fell.
Alrighty, so I think that is it for this video. The RC display stand turned out so awesome. Huge thank you to Judd Rummage Concepts for sending out some of the racks so I could display some of my awesome RC crawlers. Just a fraction of my collection actually, so I think I might need to do another row of these, but I really liked how it turned out. I'll put a link to those racks in the description box below. Please do check them out if you guys are interested. Also got my RC planes all installed on the wall, 2 rows of them. RC planes are so giant and awkward, but I think the PVC solution worked out really nice for this room. It's been really great to get the RC room a little bit more organized. Been a long time coming. Also have another video coming next week. I've ramped up my video production. It's a new release, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you like and subscribe if you don't want to miss it. Huge thank you to my patrons on Patreon. Appreciate your continued support. All right, I'll see you later.